Hi, Mark Kohler here, and let's talk another tax tip, the travel deduction. How can you maximize your travel write-offs as a small business owner? This is a huge write-off, and a lot of small business owners don't take advantage of this. In my opinion, there are several ways to make sure your travel is a business deduction, a business write-off, and legitimate. There are some great reasons to travel and to write off your travel if you can combine the personal trip with a business purpose. Now, this is a big topic. I've written a lot about this, and there's other videos on this more in depth, but let's just hit the highlights. Let me give you 4 ways to write off your travel when you're out doing personal and business. Number 1, let's write off our trip because we're doing business with a vendor, a customer, a client. We're having that business meeting, and we're taking advantage of the time to meet with that customer or vendor and close a deal. You want to document your calendar properly and take notes of who you met with and make sure that legitimately the trip has a business purpose and business was done on the trip. That could allow you to write off the bulk of the trip, at least the travel there, the travel back, and maybe one hotel night or a second hotel night. But you can't get too aggressive, and it depends again how much business you did on the trip. Number 2, have you had your corporate meeting this year? I love this even with LLCs and corporations. You should be having annual minutes, taking records of your board of advisors in an LLC, your board of directors or shareholders in a corporation. Take notes. How's the business doing? Go on a trip, take those key people with you, and write down what the future may hold and what your goals and strategies are. Get their advice. This is a great opportunity as a small business owner to use the annual meeting, not only as a tax write-off, but to help take your business to the next level. Document your records well and make that trip your business annual meeting. Number 3, visit a rental property. As many as you know, I love to write off rental property trips. Rental properties are an incredible write-off on your tax return, completely besides the point of travel. I love rental property. Now, that's a part of an overall portfolio of investments. I'm not saying put all your money in rental property, and I don't sell rental property. But as a CPA, I see thousands of clients' tax returns and the power of rental property on your tax return, the cash flow benefits, the appreciation. Make sure that you're buying rentals where you love to travel. If it works. I mean, sometimes you don't want to buy a rental property in Hawaii or a high-priced location, but if you can, buy a rental property by grandma or your family where you regularly visit so that you can take a tax-deductible trip to visit the rental property and check on the property manager, the tenants, and the overall property. Number 4, and finally, let's talk about attending a workshop, continuing your education and writing off the travel with that workshop. For example, this year, I have 5 more workshops. It's my 5th annual series in the fall where I'll travel around the country, including Hawaii and Philadelphia on both ends of the coast, where you can come out and learn tax and legal strategies for a day and then couple it with a little personal trip or personal R&R. Make sure you, again, keep good notes and what you learn and keep good records. Attend the workshop. Just don't say I'm going to attend it. But take advantage of additional education and include education and workshops as part of your personal and business travel. Bottom line, travel can be a great write-off. And the more money you make in your business, the more flexibility we have to write off your travel. Don't get too aggressive. If you don't have a lot of income in your business, don't try to write off a huge travel deduction line item and then draw attention to an audit. Let's make sure that we're writing off as much as we can and keep it in perspective to the amount of income you're making. Keep living the American dream, consider travel, and don't give up on that business of yours. See you on the backside. Thanks for listening, and I hope that information was helpful. And let me speak from the heart here. I've been talking about topics like this for 10, 15 years. I'm a CPA, attorney, best-selling author, radio show host, and I am passionate about helping small business owners save taxes, build wealth, and protect it. Please check out the link right here. Download my free ebook on 10 common mistakes small business owners make in the tax and legal arena. Also, check out my social media links here. I've got daily tips, a weekly blog, radio show every week. This information is free, and I'd love to help you. Click below, find out more about me, and thanks for listening.